Hello my dear gardener friends. In this today's video, I will be telling about how to care your plants and save your plants in summer season. Let's see in this video. My first tip is friends, regular watering. In the summer season, there is a high demand of water by plants, so water your plants daily. While watering in the soil, you must also water on the branches and leaf and wash the leaf thoroughly such that it will provide for photosynthesis and open up the spores. But while watering, you should take care. Your soil must not look like this. If this, it will create problem for your plants. So take care of it. If you do not have time to water your plants, you should make this system for your plant in summer season. It works best in the summer season. So you should make this system. Just take the any plastic water bottle, just cut it in this shape. There make a hole on the and then slightly place it into the soil, press it in the soil and just water in this bottle. Then slowly the water will be going into the soil and it will be take caring that your soil does not dry and your plant will be evergreen and the plant will not face the problem of less watering. So use this method. This method is highly beneficial for plant. If your plants are more larger than this or trees planted in the soil, you can use big buckets, drums or big containers. My next step is friends, mulching. Mulching is highly beneficial for our plants in this summer season because due to the high temperature the water evaporates from the soil. So mulching is the best method. Just take the dry leaves of any plant and just put these leaves into the plants and just water it thoroughly and leave it. It will provide and hold the moisture in the soil. Friends, in this summer season, the best compost you can add in your plants is the leaf mode compost. In Hindi it is called as सूखे पत्तों की खाद. It is the best compost for plants in the summer season because it is cold in nature and in the hot seasons it will provide coolness to the plants. So please add this fertilizer to the plant. My next video on the channel will be on this, how to make this leaf mode compost. If you understand Hindi, you can check out my Vedang Gardener channel. It is in Hindi language. I have uploaded this video how to make leaf mode compost. You can check out that also if you understand Hindi. You must avoid any other fertilizers and especially you should avoid chemical fertilizers. It are highly harmful in the summer season. Friends, my next step is to water your plants with cold water. If it is possible to water your plants with cold water, you should water it because like that we required the cold water in the summer season. Plants such that plants also require the cold water and it is highly beneficial for plants and its growth. In the summer season, you should use the green nets and this plastic sheets to cover your plants and provide them a shade so it will avoid the burns of the leaves. Next is the providing a fertilizer to your plant. The best fertilizer I told that the leaf mode compost, and second, or you can only provide liquid fertilizer. In the summer season, the best fertilizer is the liquid fertilizer you can provide to your plants. So if you want to know the liquid fertilizers, I am gonna put some videos on it. So please stay connected with my channel. Next tip is friends, to wash or just wash your leaves with a wet cloth and remove the dust from your leaves. It will provide photosynthesis and high growth in the summer season. If you like this video, please comment below. Please give a like to this video.
Please subscribe my channel.
Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.